Today I'm going to teach you one tip that you probably don't know about your dishwasher. So I'm going to talk to you today about the ones that have strainers in them. All right, so this setup, it's pretty obvious. You have to just unscrew this, and there's the little strainer. Lift this out. That's another strainer. And this strainer. Let's take them to the kitchen sink. All you have to do is rinse all these parts off. They'll have food particles in them. So here's the tip. Rinse these filters out every single month to keep your dishwasher running strong. Just like that. Yeah, so when these filters get clogged, your dishwasher loses the power in the jets to clean your dishes. So you have to make sure that these are all really clear and clean, like that. And let's get back to reassembling. All of that. Okay, get that aligned. And tighten all that down. There you go. And that will make your dishwasher more powerful again, and it'll clean your dishes way better.